Hey, skincare enthusiasts! Do you want that healthy, radiant glow without bombarding your skin with harsh chemicals or emptying your wallet on expensive products? You're in the right place. Let's talk about achieving truly happy, healthy skin and ditching the complicated routines and aggressive ingredients. Today, we're diving deep into 10 science-backed natural skincare tips that will transform your skin from the inside out. Whether you're battling acne, struggling with dryness, or just want to boost your natural radiance, these tips are going to change your skincare game for the better. Before we dive into these incredible tips, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to become part of our amazing skincare community. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss out on any future skincare secrets. Let's kick things off with a true skincare superhero, honey. Yes, you heard that right. Honey isn't just for your tea or toast anymore. This golden nectar is actually a powerhouse of natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties, making it perfect for all skin types. Raw honey, in particular, is jam-packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and antibacterial agents that gently combat breakouts while keeping your skin incredibly hydrated. Here's how to incorporate this magic potion into your routine. Grab some raw honey, and remember, raw is key here to reap all those amazing benefits. And apply a thin layer to your clean, dry face. Allow it to work its magic for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Trust me, your skin will feel so incredibly soft, supple, and unbelievably radiant. And the best part? It's incredibly gentle, so even those with sensitive skin can enjoy its incredible benefits. Honey, you're officially hired as our go-to skincare savior. Let's face it, we all have days when our skin feels a little rough, a little dull, and in desperate need of a refresh. That's where the magic of oatmeal comes in. Yes, oatmeal. This breakfast staple isn't just for your morning bowl anymore. It's actually an amazing, gentle exfoliant that can do wonders for your skin. Those tiny little oats act like mini superheroes, gently lifting away dead skin cells and revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. Unlike harsh scrubs that can irritate your skin, oatmeal is incredibly soothing, making it perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. Mix finely ground oatmeal with a little bit of water to create a paste, or combine it with yogurt for an extra dose of skin-loving goodness. Apply the mixture to your face, gently massage it in circular motions, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. You'll be amazed by how soft, smooth, and refreshed your skin feels. When it comes to soothing, hydrating, and giving your skin that healthy, happy glow, there's one ingredient that truly stands out. Aloe vera. This incredible plant is like a tall drink of water for your skin, instantly quenching its thirst and leaving it feeling incredibly refreshed and revitalized. Aloe vera is a true skincare superhero, especially if you're dealing with dryness, redness, or even irritation. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders to calm and soothe your skin. You can apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your skin, or you can look for skincare products that list aloe vera as a key ingredient. Trust me, once you experience the soothing, hydrating power of aloe vera, you'll never want to go without it. Get ready to raise a glass to healthier, more radiant skin because we're about to unlock the incredible skincare benefits of green tea. That's right, this beloved beverage isn't just for sipping anymore. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants that can do wonders for your complexion. Green tea is like a tall glass of refreshment for your skin, working its magic to protect, brighten, and even out your skin tone. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help fight those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to premature aging and dullness. Simply brew a cup of green tea, allow it to cool completely, and then apply it to your face using a cotton pad. You can even store the cooled tea in a spray bottle for a refreshing mist throughout the day. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. You'll notice a more even skin tone, a healthy glow, and a reduction in redness and inflammation. Let's be real. We've all had those mornings where we wake up, look in the mirror, and wonder if we accidentally swapped places with a pufferfish overnight. But before you panic, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, the humble cucumber. Yes, this refreshing veggie is more than just a salad staple. It's a natural skin saver, especially when it comes to reducing puffiness and banishing those dreaded under-eye circles. Cucumbers are loaded with antioxidants and have this amazing ability to cool and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes, reducing inflammation and making you look instantly more awake and refreshed. Simply grab a chilled cucumber, slice it up, and place those refreshing slices over your closed eyelids for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can even use a blender to create a cucumber paste, apply it to the under eye area, and let it work its magic. Trust me, your eyes will thank you for it. The cooling sensation will feel incredibly soothing, and you'll notice a visible reduction in puffiness and dark circles. Let's talk about the foundation of healthy, radiant skin hydration. And no, I don't just mean slathering on your favorite moisturizer, although that's important too. I'm talking about deep inner hydration that starts from within. Think of your skin like a plant. Just like a plant needs water to thrive, so does your skin. When you're properly hydrated, your skin is plumper, smoother, and has that coveted, healthy glow. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and even more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Remember, water is essential for flushing out toxins, transporting nutrients to your skin cells, and keeping everything functioning at its best. Get ready to unleash your inner foodie because we're about to explore the delicious world of foods that nourish your skin from the inside out. That's right, healthy, radiant skin isn't just about what you put on your body, it's also about what you put in it. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your skin needs the right nutrients to thrive. Focus on incorporating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet. Think berries, leafy greens, citrus fruits, and anything else that bursts with vibrant colors. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that fight free radical damage, protect your skin from environmental stressors, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Remember, true beauty starts from within. Let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, sunscreen. I know, it's not the most glamorous skincare step, but trust me when I say this is the single most important thing you can do for your skin. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from the harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is the key to maintaining a youthful, healthy complexion for years to come. Let's talk about beauty sleep because it's called that for a reason. When you're sleep deprived, it shows on your skin. You wake up with dark circles, dullness, and even breakouts. Sleep is when your body, including your skin, repairs and regenerates itself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and avoid caffeine or alcohol before bed. Your skin will thank you for it. It's time to address the silent ager, the glow stealer, the breakout instigator, stress. We all experience stress, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your skin. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can increase oil production, lead to inflammation, and even trigger breakouts. Find healthy ways to de-stress and unwind, whether it's through exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or listening to your favorite music. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health, and your skin will reflect the positive changes you make. So, breathe in, breathe out, and let that stress melt away, revealing the radiant skin you deserve. There you have it, skincare enthusiasts. 10 unbelievable natural tips for achieving the healthy, radiant skin of your dreams. By incorporating these simple yet effective tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving a complexion that glows from the inside out. If you enjoyed these natural skincare secrets, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future skincare tips and wellness advice. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite natural remedy for glowing skin? Let me know in the comments below.